Welcome back to the Reluctant Collector. We have part 2 of the Paldea of Old box break. We have some of our favourite cards from the first half of this box break, including the Superior Energy Retrieval, which will hopefully bring us some good luck for part 2. There we go. Tinkertink, Pinchurchin, Cuter, Slowpoke, Sudowoodo, Pelipper, Fletchinder, a Rockruff, Jaragriff, and a Oricorio. I don't think we have that one yet. So we have Electric Energy, Mischief, Wooper, Slackoth, Pikachu, Florigato, Quackswell, Delivery Drone, Tinkertink, a Tinkertink special, and Clodshire X. Water Energy, Litleo, Magikarp, Rockruff, Pawmi, Toxicroak, Oranguru, Electrode, Iono, and Graphire, and a Weevil. Dark Energy, Kufant, Krogunk, Rookedy, Magnemite, Farigiraffe, Spidops, Passamane, Misdreavus, a Nimble, and a Tinkerton. Fighting Energy, Lavatar, Dino, Sandygast, Tarantula, Vigoroth, Pinchurin, Krakola, Pawmo, Practice Studio, and Boss's Orders. So Leaf Energy, Phalanx, Combee, Jigglypuff, Girafarif, Reverse Energy, Therapeutic Energy, Choice Belt, Gothorita, Mimikyu, and Gyarados. So we got Psychic Energy, Murkrow, Misdreavus, Sneasel, Gothorita, Graphire, Satitan, Faulkner, Murkrow, Pineco, and Pikachu X. That looks really nice. Oh, so we got Basic Energy, Great Ball, Tropius, Hoppip, Makito, Pormo, Tinkertuff, Bravery Charm, Slackoth, oh, Skeldurgex, Pumpluff. I can't leave Pikachu like that. I really can't. Nice. Got to go in the top loader straight away, I think. And this one. Should we go? There we go. Water Energy, Mischief, Wingle, Pineco, Meryl, Dundersparce, Passamane, Corviknight, Oranguru, Geicomo, and Rabscar. We got Dark Energy, Charcadet, Relor, Tadbulb, Frigabax, Polisand, Raichu, Gothitelle, Makuhita, Luminous Energy, and Mimikyu. We got Basic Energy, Misdreavus, Sneasel, Gothorita, Marill, Pelipper, Fletchinder, Vigoroth, oh, Snova, Meryl, and Chinepay X, is it? Good, nice. So a few more left to go. So we got Electric Energy, Pinchurchin, Dino, Magikarp, Slowpoke, Gothorita, Honchkrow, Sudowoodo, Noibat, Shinx, and Tyranitar. We got Dark Energy, Mankey, Delibird, Super Rod, Love Disc, Seviper, Taurus, Luxio. We got Jet Energy, Clavel, and Baxcalibur. We got Fire Energy, Litleo, Rockruff, Pawmi, Sandygas, Grusher, Primate, Mismagus, Rookedy, Bramblin, and Slacking. So 3 more left to go. That one was easier to get into. Let's go. Leaf Energy, Snova, Fletchling, Voltorb, Clavel, Mabostiff, Pupitar, Flamigo, Delivery Drone, Litleo, and Sableye. So last two now. Oh, so we got Psychic Energy, Lavatar, Tarantula, Charcadet, Murkrow, Bramblegast, Toxicroak, Crocodile, Tropius, Falkner, and Tinkerton. So the very last one. So we've got Fighting Energy, Dunsparce, Noibat, Spirigato, Quaxley, Bombardier, Skiploom, Dendra, Delibird, ooh, Flamigo, nice, and Hydreigon. Well, thanks for joining us. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. If you have any of these or want to share any others, let us know in the comments. Thank you for today.